Sir, this is the truck using a garbage collector. This is a truck using a garbage collector. This is a mineral water. This area, sir, the garbage scavenger is this area. To collecting the bottles, plastic, can. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Pia Marie Ma'am as scavenger.
안녕하세요. Micaela's mom.
Micaela Ma'am, scavenger, no?
안녕하세요. Big Jeneline Ma'am.
Big Jeneline Ma'am, scavenger.
안녕하세요.
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 Jera and Resami Ma'am, scavenger.
Ay, 안녕하세요. Jelly Ma'am.
Jelly Ma'am, scavenger.
안녕하세요. Paula James Ma'am.
Paula
Jean
James,
Abundance Ma'am.
scavenger.
안녕하세요. Sisters of Jelly.
Sister of Jelly, scavenger. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Name, ngano?
Grace.
Grace. 안녕하세요. Name ni mo ate? Irene. Okay na. And this is the people work garbage collector, sir. Scavenger. Magsugod kong interview kang kano? Okay, ikaw, magsugod ka ang interview. Kung nanan, ito isa. Sugod ka no sa kag nagsugod ni pagtrabaho. Since when did you start working?
Ikan pagminyo.
Since
28.
28,
28.
years?
Oh, 28 years old. Until now, 34.
Pilam na ka years?
Hindi ka paggamay? Oo.
The years lang.
Years?
Unsa ka nagsugod ani ba? When you
24.
started,
24.
24 years, sir. Work time per day, oras sa pagtrabaho.
7 to 5.
7 to 5. Unsa ang imong kasagaran gikolekta? What do you usually collect?
Like this. Plastic.
Plastic.
Can. Aluminum.
Where do you sell? Where do you sell the collected items? Asa ni mo gibaligya?
Junk shop.
Yeah, junk shop. How much do you earn a day? Pila adlaw?
Mga
300 a day. Agi sa pato si kuan. Mother of Crystal Jane.
안녕하세요.
Mother of Crystal Jane. Since when did you start working?
Since 2007.
Work time per day. Magsugod.
7 to 5 p.m.
What do you usually collect?
Plastic bottle,
Plastic bottle,
empty can, cardboard, cartons.
carton. Where do you sell the collected items?
Junk shop also.
How much do you earn a day?
100 to 180 a day.
100 or 180 a day. Crystal Mothers na. 8 people scavenger, sir. Sir, this is the garbage collector, the workers of scavenger. Here's the garbage, sir. Separate the cans, the plastic. This is a scavenger, sir. Scavenger. Amo nang laino na, lain na mga kuan.
O kanang tangan sa plastic o takob.
Higot-higot. Oo, di ba? Sako, mahalin eh.
Like, sako. And cartoon.
Karton.
Yeah, fill out.
Sa greenhouse, may karton.
How much do you earn a day at least? Ha? Bilang adlaw or week?
Adlaw. A week na lang, oy.
Okay, week.
O, 500 or 600.
500 or 600.
I'm so hungry, that's why I eat first.
Ano nga sa'yo?
Ano nga sa'yo, Mother of Paula?
Mother of Paula. Since when did you start working?
Since birth,
Since birth.
childhood.
Work time per day. Unsa ka oras?
6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
6 a.m. to
6 p.m.
6 p.m. 12 hours. What do you usually collect?
Can, bottle, anything that can we ibaligya sa junk shop.
Anything?
Like this.
Where do you sell the collected items?
In junk shop.
In a junk shop. How much do you earn a day?
A week, 200 plus.
200 plus, 200 above, sir. Asa naman to? Ikaw, ate. Ate, interview sa tikate.
Ay, ginisa.
Ito sa una. Anyo nga sa'yo sa? Ay, parang lang.
Sa'yo.
Hindi mo kita mong noong. Mother of Karel, Yunchel children. Since when did you start working? Sukat kanus aka nagsugod?
Pag 2001.
2001 starting hair work, sir. Work time per day, sa ka magsugod.
Alas 6 ako tagan to sa alas 6 sa gabi.
6 a.m. to 6 p.m. 12 hours. What do you usually collect unsa imong gipang kolekta?
Lata, karton,
Can, plastic, bottle,
spring,
spring,
mga balde, parang sin, baka na mga spring.
spring. Where do you seal the collected? Asan niyo mo ikuan?
Sa kanang naitimbangan niya, sa mga
Junk shop? Junk shop. Pila ang kuan? How much do you earn a day? Adlaw?
mana rakan.
A week? Pila?
Masay, mali na kong 300.
300 above.
Sahay, 500.
Ah. Ikaw, ate. Dali ito mo. Karo mo na tayo. Ano nga sa iyo?
Irene.
Irene. Irene, since when did you start working?
Mga 11 years.
11 years? 11 years starting this work, sir. Scavenger. Work time per day. Unsa ka oras sa magsugod?
7:30.
7:30 until man.
5.
7:30 until 5 p.m. What do you usually collect unsa imong kasagaran gi-collect?
Lata,
Can,
lata,
halo, plastic,
baga.
plastic baga. Ini magibaligya ang
Junk shop.
in a junk shop. How much do you earn a day? Pila ang kuan? Agi ani
150, 200.
a day.
Yeah.
Apo, sister of jelly. Then Pia Marie, I have a question interview. Since when did you start working? Ano sa ka gasugod sa pagtrabaho?
10 years old.
Pila ka years?
Wala. 20.
Pia Marie, sir, before she is scavenger, but she back here. Pero pa ka nagbalik ba? She back here na before, pila ka years? Kuha na lang. O, 28 naman ka. Paano ba na alam? Since 10 years old, she start here, sir. But, she stopped before, now she back the work. Ayun. Oh, what time per day? Unsa ka oras mong trabaho?
6 p.m. to
6 a.m. to 6 p.m. in 12 hours. What do you usually collect? Unsa imong kasagaran kolekta?
cans, bottle,
Cans ba ito lang?
any kind.
Any kind. Where do you see collected items? Asan niyo magibaligya ang asan niyo magibaligya day? In a junk shop. O, pilang adlaw? 300 a day. Pia Marie, 300 a day, sir. Her income. 300 a week. 300 a week. Talagang. Ikaw lang sa... ano nga sa...
Ayun sa'yo.
Big Risame. Ay, mother of Big Risame.
Ikaw na po rin.
Sukat ka nus ka nagsugod sa pagtrabaho. Since when did you start working?
Sukad.
Since?
Kuan. Gasugod kuan ni nagtigid pa man gugud-gugud ani. Ha?
Pila na ka years anati?
48.
48?
48 naman ko.
Ibang age, 48.
Oo. Mo sa pila ka tuig.
Since birth lang, since birth. Unsa ka ra sa magsugod?
Kuan 5 PM o kuan mo out ni ini kuan 6 PM o AM. Mo ba?
5 a.m. until 5 p.m. 12 hours. 12 hours time per day. What do you usually collect? Unsa imong gipang kolekta?
Kuan mang spring,
Spring,
Can,
plastic,
o
can.
lata.
Can.
baga, plastic karton.
Ari ra mag-question eh. Asa nimo gibaligya ni? Work
Sa kuan junk shop,
in a junk shop.
junk shop.
Pila man ni ang adlaw ani?
Karon kay barato naman ang timbang na mga 200, 300.
300 a day.
Barato naman.
300 a day, sir, salary. Income, no? Ikaw sa, anyo nga sa'yo?
Anong sa'yo?
Anyo nga sa'yo, mother of
Big Ginilin.
Big Ginilin. Since when did you start working so good? Kanas ka so good?
For 18.
18 years. This is a separate collection, sir. Separate na nyo, ate. Plastic, bottle, and can. After the separate, kuha na. To sell the collected items. Separate the collection, sir. Plastic, cans, bottle. Masa pagi pang separate ninyo dahil?
Spring water.
Spring water.
Straw.
Yan. Oh, straw. Ilay, isa na kan. Bottle. Apil na botilya? Oh, apil na tingin. Masaya mong gi-separate ate. Mineral water. Baga. How can? Ayun, sa inyong separate collection. Yan mineral water.
Lata.
Ay, saan? How can?
Lata.
Mother of Prisami, Angera, and mother of
Big Ginilin.
Big Ginilin, and her neighbor, Grace. And her neighbor also, Irene. Magpia Marima. Angelina. Ate, tanda. A sister of Jelly and Crystal Mom and Michaela. We sell the collected items in a junk shop.